Well, I think this might be my best find of the day. I dug it, was what was it, 43 on the Simplex Ultra. Looks like a stirrup off a saddle, I think. Yeah, stirrup in it. Yeah, a stirrup. Oh well, it's the best find of the day. On to the next. Oh, been very quiet. Just got this hole here. Dug it pretty deep, quite deep, and all I got out of it was, well, piece of tin, steel. That's all I got out. So hopefully, if I catch something decent, I will film it. Dug quite a lot, a few holes, quite a lot of rubbish out, but just gotta keep going. Catch you on the next. Alright guys, it's not been one of my best days today. It's going to be a short video this week, you know. But I'm off on Saturday over the weekend, so hopefully I'll get out then. But I'm going to go to another field, and this one needs cutting. The grass is way too long. It's getting too long. Look, you can see it's really hard to detect on it. So I'm going to see on the field where I'm going next. I'll just show the roundup. You know, I'll just give it up for today. It's hard going, so I'll just show. I've got an appointment anyway, so I've got to go, and I'll just show you what I've got for today anyway. But the best find I've got, that was from the other week. I don't know if I showed it yet or not. As you can see, the bottle. I don't know how old that one is. And the old fork, straight fork from the week before. And the best find I've got today is the stirrup. Must be off a saddle or something. I don't know how old it is. I'll leave that to you and see what you suggest. But it's been in there some time. Yeah, it's a big stirrup that. But yeah. Anyway, thanks for all the new subscribers. Thanks for that. I much appreciate it. Just like and like I say, like and any new ones, just like and subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. But as I say, this Saturday I'm going out on another field. Hopefully I'll have some better, better finds hopefully. So yeah, like and subscribe for me please. Thanks for watching. Catch you in a bit. Bye.